we're going to go on a hike amongst all these wonderful fall colors and leaves. It's the Old Mission Lighthouse, and that's Lake Michigan, where the two bays converge and open up into the lake.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We just slipped and fell.
I mean, you did. I didn't.
Correct. Correct.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm great. I was just headed down to the water to feel it because this lake looks just like an ocean, which I've heard before, but it's blue. It has a tide, and minus the salt smell, there are some like seagull like birds. I don't know if they're seagulls, but I can hear them.
They're seagull.
And so now I'm gonna go touch it to see how it feels. Let's do this. Look, it even has like some shell-like things. Okay, my guess is somewhere in like the 60s. Closer. Oh, that's chilly. That is chilly. That's definitely got to be in the 60s or 50s even.
It's definitely cold.
Lake Michigan, everybody.
Lake Michigan.
Excuse me, sir, are you just hanging out today, or are you going to jump somewhere? You're moving a little slow. Let me look at your friend. Hello, friend. My name is Sierra. I come in peace. I like your perch. Matthew, do not bother the pretty grasshopper. If you mess with him, I mess with you.
I'm not touching him. Hello, jacket. Why are you buzzing around me?
What are we doing, babe?
Getting a boat. No, we're not getting a boat. I want to get a boat. Looking at boats.
We'll come back in the summer and get a boat.
Love it. I have solved politics. My solution is blank.
Solve politics. The solution.
Action Bronson.
Mom heard an F word, Jack. You're
Man,
sinning.
like a ginger obese man. And over the past, since the pandemic, he's just gotten jacked.
That's what I need to do right now. We're outside in the fire.
Jacked, man.
You know what I mean?
He's been like one of the
Yeah, my smells on fire.
rappers of our time.
Look, he doesn't even say the swear word.